Namo Namaha. On this Ramanavami, let us understand the meaning of the word Rama. It is a powerful word with profound meaning. In Sanskrit, almost all words are derived from root words called dhatus. The word Rama is from the root word Ram. Ram means to rejoice, to enjoy, to play. So it is Ramate iti Ramaha, meaning one who rejoices is Rama. So Rama is one who is in a constant state of bliss, constantly enjoying. And we can also derive this meaning for the word Rama. Ramayati iti Ramaha. Ramate iti Ramaha meant one who is blissful. Ramayati iti Ramaha means one who makes others to be in a state of bliss is Rama. Now you may think, okay, Ram means to enjoy and Rama means one who enjoys. What does he enjoy and how does he enjoy? There is a shloka from the Skanda Puranam which conveys what is Rama. The shloka goes like this. Ramate sarva bhuteshu sthavareshu chareshu cha antaratma swarupena yaccha rameti kathyate. I will rearrange the words in the shloka and many of you might be able to get the meaning. Sarva bhuteshu sthavareshu chareshu cha antaratma swarupena yat ramate tat rama iti kathyate. Meaning that which is there in all beings, sarva bhuteshu, in immovable beings, sthavareshu, and in movable beings, chareshu, and is enjoying in the form of antaratma swarupena ramate. That is called Rama. There is another beautiful shloka from the Padma Puranam which gives the meaning of the word Rama. It goes like this. Ramante yogino yasmin nityanande chidatmani iti ramapade naitat param brahma vidhiyate. If I rearrange the words in the shloka, some of you might catch the meaning. Yasmin nityanande chidatmani yoginaha ramante etat param brahma ramapadena abhidiyate. In which constant state of bliss the yogis enjoy, that param brahma, that supreme Brahman is called by the name Rama. So Rama means that state, that blissful state in which yogis rejoice. Isn't this blissful? When Lord Rama was born, Maharshi Vasishtha gave the name Rama to him. There is another interesting shloka which speaks about how this word Rama was formed. The shloka goes like this. Narayanashtaksharayश्च Shiva panchaksharaystatha sarthakaranadvayam Ramo ramante yatra yoginah. It is said that this name Rama is formed by taking the letter Ra from the Narayana Ashtakshari mantram, which is Om Namo Narayanaya, and by taking Maha from the Shiva Panchakshari mantram, which is Om Namah Shivaya. Why only these two letters were taken from so many other letters present in the mantra? There is a reason for that. In Om Namo Narayanaya, Ra is said to be the most important sound, because if you take out Ra from this mantra, then you get Om Namo Nayanaya. Narayana means Naranam Ayanam, meaning refuge for human beings. Ayanam means refuge. Now if you take out Ra from this, then you get Nayanam, meaning Na Ayanam, no refuge, which drastically changes the meaning, and in fact it gives a negative meaning if you remove this letter Ra from the mantra. Similarly, if you take out Maha sound from Namah Shivaya, it becomes Na Shivaya. Shiva means auspiciousness. Na Shivaya means inauspicious. So again, removal of Maha changes the meaning drastically. So, Ra and Ma are the most important sounds from the Narayana Ashtakshari Mantram and the Shiva Panchakshari Mantram. And since Maharshi Vasishtha knew who this baby was, he named him Rama. So the name Rama is very powerful because it has the two most important sounds from two very powerful mantras, Om Namo Narayanaya and Om Namah Shivaya. And finally, I will end this video with this shloka from the Sri Rama Purvatapini Upanishad. Yathaiva vatabijasthaha prakritascha mahan drumaha tathaiva Rama bijastham jagadetacharacharam. It means like how a huge banyan tree is invisibly there in the seed of the banyan tree. Vata vriksha has a banyan tree, Vata bija has the seed of the banyan tree. Like that, this whole world of movable and immovable things is inside this seed called Rama. I hope you enjoyed this video and found value in this video. If you did, then please type Jai Shri Ram in the comment box. Namo Namo.